I just picked this thermal printer up from the post office, so let's see if this will print out Shopify packing slips. Currently, I am using the 4x6 thermal shipping labels to print out the packing slips, which I think is a waste of money. Let's see if we can save some money by printing on this POS thermal printer using receipt paper. I know it can work because I've seen some other companies use it in real life. Like I've ordered from different companies and I've seen them print out the packing slips on these papers. So it's gotta work somehow. This is the brand that I bought off Amazon. This is a regular POS thermal printer that prints out regular receipt paper. It was $159.99, and I think there was like a $20 coupon, but let's get into it. By the way, this is Bluetooth. I wanted Bluetooth because right now my shipping station is pretty packed, so I want to save some space and put it somewhere else. All right, this is what it looks like inside, the printer, and then the cords. And then they do send you some sample paper. I did not buy any paper because I just wanted to use the sample paper to see if it'll actually work. All right, let's get it plugged up. And then I got to put the paper in and then this little thing in. Okay, I have everything set up. It's powered on. I got the paper in there. Now, I said I was going to do it Bluetooth, so I read the reviews, and a lot of people said they were having a hard time with it Bluetooth, but there is the USB cable as well, so if Bluetooth doesn't go well, then I'm going to use the cable, but we're going to try Bluetooth first. All right, so I'm going to go here and click on Bluetooth, show all Bluetooth devices. Hopefully it shows up. Let's add new device, Bluetooth. It is this one right there, the TM. So let's connect to it. Let's find the pin. Okay, so it says the pin is 4 zeros. All right, let's put in 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect. All right, it says it's connected. It's a lot easier than I thought. Not connected. Okay, it changed its mind. Okay, so we had to install the driver. I don't know where to find the driver, so let me go try to find it. All right, so obviously I did not read the directions, and it says download driver right here. And then it also tells you which one you are downloading the driver for, which is that one. I didn't go to this website. I just did a quick Google search or Microsoft search, found the website, found it, and then I am on a Windows, so let's download it. And I'm going to do a direct download. Open the file. Open that. We're going to run anyways. Yes. Okay, so this is what pops up. We're doing Bluetooth. I guess we're just going to leave everything the same, and we're going to install driver. Ooh, the paper just cut. And I guess we're done. So let's try to go and print a packing slip. All right, I'm just gonna go and check the Bluetooth stuff real quick to make sure it's connected. It says driver is unavailable. Okay, we're gonna try to go print it anyways. All right, this is what the paper says, Bluetooth port COM4. Okay, so I'm in my orders and I selected a few here. As you can see, I'm going to press print packing slip and we're going to see what happens. Packing lists are pulled up. I am covering customer information for obvious reasons. We're going to press print up here and we're going to see if it prints. All right, print. Okay, so here's my printers. Let me see. Okay, so here's the printer right here. We're going to do that, and maybe we need to change the paper settings. I'm going to go to more settings. We're going to do paper size. Okay, so it is receipt size, and I think it is, I guess that's the receipt size. All right, so I'm just going to leave it at the receipt size that it's at. It was at that one. Fit to printable area, and we're going to print. Why is it not cutting? Okay, so it did not cut every single one. That is not good. Okay, we are in printing preferences, and I did have to go to printing settings and change the cutter to after page because it was after document. So I'm thinking this is gonna work. A little bit. Oh, okay, see, here we go. That worked. Good. So you do have to change it to after every. I don't like, you can see all this wasted space up there. I do not like that. But it does work. So now we got these. And it definitely does work. It is really tiny though. Let me show you guys how tiny it is. Like, that's how tiny it is. I don't know if that's not good. Okay, as of right now, I went into Shopify and tried to find a way to change the packing slips option instead of like a regular piece of paper to a 4x6, and I can't find that setting anywhere. I will say I don't even print my packing slips off Shopify. I actually use ShipStation. So let's try it with ShipStation. Okay, with ShipStation, you do have to go to printing setup, and you do have to change your packing slip to the actual printer, which I already did. I just left out a 4x6 thermal printer because there's no other options to choose. You only get the bigger regular paper. So I just left out the 4x6. Let's go and choose some orders and print them off. I chose some orders. Let's print the packing slips. Whoops. Let's see how they turn out. Okay. Okay, so this is what the packing slip looks like from ShipStation using the POS printer. I got all this wasted room up here though, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go back into the printer and see if I can change the paper setting to make it smaller. So great feedback. I went from this right here to this, and the setting was really easy. Let me show you guys. So you're gonna go into the printer, go to printing preferences, and then it was on 72 by 297 mm, and I just changed it to 72 by 100 mm, and that's all you gotta do. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like if I go back into Shopify and print it. So let me print one on Shopify and see what it looks like. Okay, much better. So they are a lot smaller on here. And yeah, we did it, guys, and that's all you need to do. But it does work if you want to try a POS system. So I looked all over the internet to see if I could use a POS system to print packing slips. I could not find anything. I'm hoping this video will help a ton of you guys out, but it is proof. I just showed you guys you can use a POS printing thermal printer with printing packing slips. You just have to do some minor adjustments. If I could do it, you could do it. If you like this video, follow me.